So how do you compare two files in Visual Studio? So the first thing you'll need to do is make sure your project is open and then click on the first file that you want to compare. Now hold down the Control button and click on the second file that you want to compare it with. And just right click on the selection and click on Compare Selected. And this should show you a side-by-side view comparison of both files. Now, if you don't see the compare files option, you'll need to install the Git tools or workload, or you can use view and then Git changes from the menu right here, which is this one right here. You can use Control+0 or Control+G or J. And this will do a comparison from source control if you have it set up. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.